Hey Avka, this is Dev, and I'll be demonstrating my program to you. We'll start off by running the program. We'll be prompted to view customers or admins. Let's start with customers for now. Let's start with admin actually, because we'll add a few cars first. Um, so enter the username and password, and we'll be prompted to enter the main menu. Now we can log out, and it'll be the same thing, and we can also go back. We'll log in again, and this is the admin homepage. So we can select a car, which would bring up a new page and has all the fields. So we can put in car test, speed 123, reg number we'll do 1, higher rate let's do 12, and doors 12. So we can add the car. Let's say car saved successfully. Now we can view the car we just added by clicking on view car. If we were to add another car though, like with the reg number 2, we could add that and we could view cars. But now we'd view both the cars because it's in the array list and it'd show both cars. Now we can also search for the car. So let's say we want to search for car number 1. Enter 1, it shows car number 1. We've just added 2. So if you want to show 2, it shows 2. In the case where it's like loads of cars, it would still do the same. It'd search for the correct cars. So I'll add 5 cars. And we can search for that car. So if we search for, let's search for, it shows for car 4. Now view save car. This is the car that shows up in the cars.data file. So if we click view save cars, this will show all the cars in the cars.data file. Also, when you add a new car, it is automatically saved into the cars.data file. Now a bug right now is if I close the program, let's log out and exit. If I close the program, let's run it again. Try good. A. Go to cars. We can view all the saved cars because it's still in the file. But if we add a new car, so let's say A, let's do car 2, car top speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 1, high rate, and doors. If we add this car, the view save car is overwritten, so the file is overwritten. And that's so like the array is not rewritten. It is rewritten and not like put into the next array. Yeah, so that's how the cars work. Um, lorry and minibus are pretty much the same code, just reworded to fit lorries. So we can do make. Let's do DA top speed 123 reg number 1 high rate loading capacity and loading weight. Car saved successfully. We can view the car we just added. We can search for the car we just added, and we can view the car that's in the file. Same with minibus. We can enter the make. So we'll do T whatever. And reg number we'll do 4 high rate, C capacity, and that's just minibus we just added, so we can also. Oh, I forgot to say this. We can also the delete the cars and minibuses. Completely missed that button. So we just added a minibus with the reg number 4. Let's add one with the 5. So we want to delete 4, and 4 is in the array right now. It's also in the file if you save minibus. Let's delete. Oh, that is a bug. Let's try it for cars then. So cars, we can view the cars. There's a car with ID 1 or reg number 1. Try it for reg number 2. Add the car. and so we can view the car. So it's one and two. So we'll delete car, and it'll delete. It deletes the so whatever is in this field, it'll delete. So if we, I know car one is in there, so it'll delete car one. That is also from my testing. So it's the decision points. Um, Same thing for lorry. So if we want to, actually, we'll keep a lorry in there for the customers viewing. So we'll add one, add another one. So that is the base of what an admin can do on my system. Um, let's log out. Let's try and log in as a customer. Username is hey, and we can log in as a customer. So the cars we just added, so is in here, and they can view it by pressing the buttons. There is no hiring on my program at the moment. Um, this is all customers can do is view the cars in the files. So this button is basically just finding the cars.data file. So log out. Also, the customers and admin login is bring that back up. So customer and admin login is stored in text files. So stored in text files. So that's the username and that's the password. Same with customers. That's the username and that's the password. So I do realize that it's vulnerable from like security and all that. But yeah, that is a weakness of my system. We can also log in as admin again. So another bug on my system is, let's say, top speed. That's an integer on my getter and setter, or the array object. Sorry. So if I make this letters, um, it won't let me add it. It'll just give me errors. Um, sec. Um, Same thing. For high rate, like if it's not a double, it'll just give me errors. Another bug is if I leave all the fields blank, it will give me an error. But I can also currently add cars that have the same reg number. So if I add this car, I can keep adding the same car, the same reg number. Uh, like if I view the car, it's like the same car. So that's another bug and weakness because I don't um, I don't do any duplicate checks on my code. Um, so this part of the code is responsible um, for adding the cars. It gets text fields. There's a template and it adds it to an object. And then to an array list. It also increments it, so if there's more cars, um, so with save it reads the it it outputs to the cars.data file. And the car view it just views it from the array. So um, the the so it checks the size of the array and runs it that many times. If it's 5 cars, it'll run it 5 times. So I do make use of classes. So lorry class, um, minibus, vehicle, and so this is the main class, superclass. Um, and this is the I did plan on adding users, but I didn't have much time. I recently just converted my website from using text files to using arrays, which was very time consuming and couldn't implement everything I wanted to. Also GUI, I want to show you the GUI, which is So like it's so every there's always an exit point wherever, no matter where you are on the website. So like you can always exit, you can always go back. So even if you're like logged in as admin or a customer, you can always exit, log out. Same with admin. Like if you log in, you can always log out and exit, log out. Car, you can always go back. Lorry, back, and minibus, you can always go back. So yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, have a good day.